Is there any objection? The rules are hereby suspended.
Totoo yan po. We're about to withdraw about 9 titles po in the name of na po. Penro Vic has just called me and informing me that meron na tayong approved titles na naman na 9 po.
I move for the, if there are no more inquiries to our good acting provincial assessor, I would like to move for the restoration of the rules, Mr. Chair. Are there any questions for our OIC provincial assessor? There being none, the rules are hereby restored. Is there any other interpolation? There being none, are there any committee amendments? I move